Hello and welcome to another video in Keycloak tutorial presented by Mahmoud Niaz from IT Pro Guide. In this session, we will explore the production mode installation option available with the Keycloak. The last couple of videos we have configured SSL certificate and connected database also in the development mode. For the production, we're going to combine everything we did in the last couple of videos and run it in the production mode. So Keyclocks have some default requirement to run in a production mode. The first one is you need to have a valid SSL certificate. The one we generated in the previous video is enough as we are learning. But going to a production mode, you need a proper SSL certificate which is signed by the right root authorities, like a certificate from GoDaddy or some other certificate providers. Then you also need to configure a host name, which we also done in the last video. We configured the host name and also we provided this in the command line when we start the Keycloak. Then you have to enable HTTPS and disable the HTTP. So this enable and disable will be done by itself once you provided the HTTPS configuration. The HTTP will be disabled by default in the production mode. So the first step is to set up a valid SSL certificate. We already created an SSL certificate for the development mode and we will use the same. So there is nothing new for us to learn here. Then configuring the host name. So the host name configuration through the command line parameter is when you start the Keycloak, you're going to provide -- host name equal to keycloak.local is my host name. So if you have something else, you can provide that. Then we have to enable HTTPS and disable HTTP. That is also done over the command line. So we provide the port number, we provide the certificate file, and also we provide the certificate password. So we combine everything and we're gonna start the Keycloak in production. So here there is nothing new. The only difference here is instead of kc.sh start dev for the development mode, for the production mode we use kc.sh start only. There is the only difference. Let's clear the terminal. Then first let's check the certificates are available. So we generated the certificate from the bin folder and you can see we have the P12 format certificate available. The certificate and key is also there. The second thing is the host name. So our host name we given in the certificate is keycloak.local. So we need to have the host name in our host file entry. So here we only have Keycloak. So keycloak.local is not there. So let's open the host file with the necessary permission. Then we're gonna enter the localhost IP address. Then keycloak.local has the host name. So now we are ready. We can run our production mode command for the Keycloak startup. So I'm going to copy paste the command. Check all the parameters. Make sure that you change your passwords and the username, everything. Once it is ready, just enter. So here you find you cannot start the server in development mode. Yes, then you need to build first. So if you got this message, just run kc.sh build instead of start first. Then you run this command. So let's run again the command to start the Keycloak in production mode. All is well. So click enter and this is gonna start up Keycloak, and this time as it is in production mode we will not have HTTP option here, only HTTPS. If you look at the listening port, you will be able to see that it is only listening to 8443 and it is connected to the Postgres database that we just connected before in the development mode. So let's browse and confirm it. Yeah, this is indicating that it's working and you have access to the administration console. So the Keycloak server is running and the application is okay in the production mode. So it was an easy journey for us because we prepared the certificates and the database in the previous videos and we just connected those into the production mode. So the only difference is in the command, but there are some requirements or defaults in the production mode, that is about the SSL certificate and hostname. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.